In a world where air power defines survival, where nations race to dominate the skies, where the difference between victory and defeat is measured in seconds, a new titan has risen. Poland, a nation standing at NATO's eastern frontier, has just made one of the biggest military helicopter purchases in modern European history. Not 10, not 20, but 96 units of the AH-64E Apache, the most feared, battle-proven attack helicopter ever built. A deal worth $4.7 billion, and a move that could redefine military balance in Eastern Europe for decades. This is the story behind Poland's rise as one of NATO's most formidable air combat powers. Welcome to Armory Unveiled. On a quiet morning in Washington, D.C., the United States confirmed what defense analysts had whispered for months. Boeing, the giant behind America's deadliest combat machines, would build 96 AH-64E Apaches for Poland. With this single step, Poland becomes the largest Apache operator in the world outside the United States. But this wasn't just a sale. It was a strategic message, a warning shot echoing across Europe's tense borders. As regional threats evolved, Poland answered with overwhelming force. These aren't ordinary helicopters. These are AH-64E Apaches, the latest evolution of a war machine with over 1.3 million combat hours under its belt. Imagine, a helicopter able to hunt tanks from 10 kilometers away. A machine that communicates in real time with ground troops and allied aircraft. A platform engineered to survive where others fall. Upgrades of the AH-64E include more powerful T700 GE701D engines, advanced composite rotor blades for higher speed and agility, enhanced flight controls, high-bandwidth battlefield networking, new long-range sensors, and software that evolves with each mission, and a fully open systems architecture capable of integrating future weapons. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a total transformation. Poland isn't just buying helicopters, it's acquiring an entire offensive ecosystem. Poland's military modernization program is one of the most aggressive in the Western Hemisphere. With tensions rising near its borders, Poland is rapidly reshaping itself into Europe's frontline power. New long-range missile systems, modern tanks, advanced fighter jets, and now a massive attack helicopter fleet capable of dominating the battlefield from day one. The Apaches will be delivered in phases, ensuring pilots, crews, and ground teams can integrate cutting-edge technologies at a sustainable pace. The result? A force ready to deploy anywhere, day or night, rain or snow, in contested airspace or hostile environments. Deep in the desert heat of Mesa, Arizona, Boeing maintains the beating heart of Apache production. Here, engineers sculpt machines that have shaped battlefields from Iraq to Afghanistan. Poland's Apaches will roll out of this same legendary facility, carrying the latest version 6 technologies, the same configuration trusted by elite U.S. Army aviation units. Boeing will also collaborate with Polish defense industry partners to establish local maintenance hubs, training centers, logistics and sustainment programs, and long-term industrial cooperation. This isn't just a military purchase, it's the beginning of a decades-long partnership. Let's break down why the AH-64E is considered the deadliest attack helicopter ever created. 1. Real-time networked warfare. The Apache isn't flying alone. It shares live battlefield data with ground forces, command centers, other aircraft, and even unmanned drones. In fact, Apache pilots can control UAVs directly from the cockpit, gaining eyes over the horizon. 2. Standoff strike capability. From long distances, the Apache can unleash 16 AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, 76 Hydra rockets, and 1,200 rounds of armor-shredding 30mm cannon fire. It hits hard, hits fast, and hits with precision. 3. Enhanced survivability. Composite blades, armored cockpit, redundant systems, infrared countermeasures. When the Apache enters a battlefield, it's built to leave it alive. The Apache's story spans over 40 years, from its debut in 1984 to more than 2,700 units delivered worldwide. Countries such as the United States, Israel, India, Japan, Saudi Arabia, South Korea, and the United Kingdom all rely on Apaches as the backbone of their attack helicopter fleets. Poland's arrival in this exclusive club marks a new chapter, one where Europe has a powerful Apache operator at NATO's eastern wall. 96 Apaches do more than defend Poland. They redefine NATO's strategic posture. The AH-64E strengthens interoperability with allied forces, joint operations, rapid response during crises, and deterrence across Europe. From multinational exercises to integrated missile defense systems, Poland becomes a central pillar in NATO's air-land combat architecture. Wherever these Apaches fly, stability follows, and adversaries think twice. Let's go over the raw numbers behind this airborne beast. Crew, 2. Length, 48.16 feet. Height, 15.49 feet. Rotor diameter, 48 feet. Primary mission weight, 15,075 pounds. Max operating weight, 23,000 pounds. Max climb rate, 2,800 feet per minute. Max speed, 150 knots. Service ceiling, 20,000 feet. Weapons, 16 Hellfires, 76 rockets, 30mm chain gun, 600 to 650 RPM. Every inch engineered for dominance. Every component crafted for war. Boeing's modernized Apache program ensures the AH-64E will remain combat effective into the 2060s. Future upgrades include greater range, enhanced survivability, new weapon systems, next-generation sensors, AI-assisted decision-making, and expanded drone integration. Poland's fleet will evolve continuously, staying one step ahead of emerging threats. 96 helicopters, $4.7 billion, one of the largest Apache acquisitions in history. Poland has made its statement. It will not be caught unprepared. It will not be intimidated. It will not stand in the shadows. With the AH-64E Apache, the world's most dangerous attack helicopter, Poland is forging a future where its skies are untouchable, its borders unshakable, and its role in NATO undeniable. This has been Armory Unveiled. Stay tuned, subscribe, and join us as we continue unveiling the world's most powerful machines.